Test Tigris here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay.
Tigris is a steel-launched roller coaster that opened in April of 2019. It was Busch Gardens' 9th roller coaster. Today it stands where Tanganyika Tidal Wave used to be, which was a shoot-the-chutes ride similar to Journey to Atlantis. Tigris has 3 different launches, reaches a height of 150 feet or a drop of 135 feet, but the track is only 863 feet in length. It reaches speeds up to 62 miles per hour, has 1 inversion, which you may go through multiple times, and has a height restriction of 54 inches. A similar ride exists known as Tempesto in Busch Gardens Williamsburg and Electric Eel in SeaWorld San Diego. But will it pass the fat test?
Here is the contraption that is the test seat. This looks like a torture device. Alrighty. Lift these all the way up. It's actually very hard to do with one hand. Thank you to the amazing team member holding the phone for me. Alright. Look, we already can see where this is going now. Alright, I got in the seat. Get this open. Actually, you know what? We're not that far off. But I don't think we're going to make it today. But that's not bad. One of the better ones. So if you're a little bit smaller than me, you probably have a better chance to do it. For me, Tigris falls the fastest.